Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to turn off text-to-speech on Forza Horizon 5. Tired of Forza Horizon 5 reading menus and text aloud? Luckily, you can turn it off in just a few steps. From the main menu, select Accessibility Settings, which is the option next to Start Game. Once the settings screen loads, choose the Accessibility tab and scroll down until you find Screen Reader. Even though it controls text-to-speech, Forza Horizon 5 labels the feature as Screen Reader instead. You'll see three options: System Default, On and Off. Simply change the setting to Off, then save your changes by clicking Save or pressing the appropriate key shown on the screen. After that, the game will stop reading menus and text aloud, giving you a quieter experience while navigating Forza Horizon 5. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.